Hi viewers, welcome to VV Ram Tech Tools. In this video, we will learn C programming switch case statements. Switch case statement. Switch case will allow you to choose from multiple options. The switch case allows you to set necessary statements for the user. Switch case statement. Here we have the syntax switch with the variable and case 1 if the case 1 satisfies, it will execute the state 1 execute the state 1 or the statement 1, and it will break from there. If the case 1 is not the variable, if the case 2, then it will not executed the case 1 block and it will executed the case 2 block statement, and then it will after break and it will not executed the next statements. In the same way, it will repeated the switches to the case 1 case 2 up to the case n, which the switch variable is matches the case that statement block or the code will be executed, and then after it break that from that block, and it stops the program. Okay, let us see the switch case statement. After the end of the each statement block, it is necessary to insert a break statement, because if the programmer do not use the break statement, all consecutive block statement will get executed from every case onwards. After matching the case block statement, here is the example for switch case statement. Here we have we included the standard input output headers, and we have the main function. From here our code is executes. Okay, and integer type a we are defined here, and we ask you to print please enter your value number between 1 to 5, and scanf will scan our a value as into the ampersand a, stores the our given value in the format of digit, and switch a what the value we are given 1 to in between 1 to 5 or values which we given, it will look into the a value, and that means case that value. Suppose we give the 2 value, then it will execute the case 2 value. That means it will print the that means if we have choose 2 value, and it will print and break the block, and it will not print the other blocks. Okay, and if we choose the some value 5, then it will print your 5 that block code, and it breaks here, and it will not execute the other blocks. In this way it will perform. Let us jump into our program. IDE is here. See here, it is our switch statement .c is our program we saved. We included the standard input output library. It is our main function and integer a type, and it will ask to print 1 to 5 value, any value, and to store our a value, and it will depend upon which we give the value, switch is there, right? This will switches to case on which we depend upon the value, it switch to particular block, and is print that execute our code, and it will breaks after that, and it will not executed and it will not disturb the other blocks. In this way perform the switch statement. Okay, go to execute, click on compile, and see here zero errors and zero warnings, and execute file is generated. Go to execute, print on run or F10, and here is asking to enter value 1 to 5 in between. So I want to enter some 3 value and enter. It said that you choose 3 value. It said that you chose 3 value and we given the value 3. Is correct, right? Yes. In this way we can perform. Let us print other than let us run our program again. Let us choose our value some 5 value. It prints the value 5, right? We choose our value 5, and you said that you choose 5 value. Okay, right now I want to perform the value. See here what will it will say means I want to convey here is that if we give the value other than 5 1 to 5, it will execute this one default invalid entry and enter the value 1 to 5. This will default will be print. If the the case, that means switch case 1 to 5 is not be defined, not given the value a, then we'll print the default and it give the statement and print that invalid entry and enter a number between 1 and 5. Okay, go to execute, click on run, and enter other than 1 to 5. I want to enter value some 9 value. See here it performs that default see. Okay, control. See here it look into the switch statement. We give the it will ask you to enter our value 1 to 5, but we given the value out of box. That means it will not enter the 1 to 5 values in between. We enter the value other than 5, that is 9, right? We enter 9 value, and it's saying that invalid entry number between 1 to 5. No, number between, enter the number between 1 to 5. That means if the switch case is not satisfied, then we will execute the default statement. And what the print invalid entry, enter the value 1 to 5, and it will default it will be printed. That means default it will execute and break the statement, break the code and stops. That means if the our given condition is not satisfied within the in this case which statement, then it will print the default value. In this way we can perform the switch statement. Okay, let us jump into our PowerPoint. Okay, in this way we can perform our switch statement. Okay, thank you.